Hi, welcome to Cross Theory TV. Today I'll be showing you a good top strategy, you can use to make money for yourself. Quickly go to a site named www.zazzle.com. Zazzle.com. Zazzle.com. And see the Zazzle.com. What is Zazzle.com? If we are talking about Zazzle.com, Zazzle is a platform that enables you to what? To get free gift card, to buy invitation card, to also sell invitation card, gift card, and create your card and create your own gift card. Apart from that, apart from making money from what? Designing your own card and also selling it on this platform, you also have the opportunity to join their referral program. Once you join their referral program, then what? Once you refer people to their referral program, you can see. Let me show you the referral program. You can see the referral reward will be distributed after your friend order chips. Friends order must be $25 plus to qualify. Yeah. So once they order, then you'll be given $25. $25. Let me quickly go back to the main portal, the main Zazzle portal. So that's the two methods you can use to join Zazzle.com. But first of all, before we proceed, you first of all need to register on this platform. You can see buy gift card, you can see sell gift card, you can also create. Let me scroll down. But we don't need anything, we need the creation, blank spot, etc. Get started with a template that catches your eye from scratch. Learn about our template design, test, etc. Social media templates, background test elements. So you can create and sell. You can create design and sell. But we'll be making use of their gift cards. Photos minimal is very changed. But before you proceed, first of all, you need to find a way to register on this platform. Let's find how we can register on this platform. Just click on my account. You can see sell on Zazzle. Then you can still loading. You can register with what? Sign into your account with your Google account, your Apple account, or your already login Facebook account. I'll be logging there with my Facebook account. My email. I'm very sorry for the slow data rate. Speed data rate of Nigeria is very low, so that's why. skip content. Okay, see. Design enter. Now with save design, view your image, create a unique design and select from over 250 plus products. You can post your product for sale in the public. You can see, market or keep it private. You can see that's what we need. Current balance is $0. Redeem a gift card, buy a gift card. You can see the benefit. You can see that you can create a store too. You can create a store. You can see the benefit of this platform. So let's just scroll down. Let me reload the page. Seems the page is not well loaded. Okay, you can see. So this is how the platforms look like. I see design account at a glance, earnings, payment settings, open a store, create a product, save design. So we'll be working on the gift cards level. And create gift card for your girl. Let's click on gift card, best gift card. 5 best gift cards for sisters. Shop. Inspiration quote mug. All these are the top gift cards. Free shipping with free membership. Let's create. You can create a blank element. You can start creating. You can see all these are gift card. All these are gift card illustration backgrounds. You can say to choose anyone. Then design your own. Then also put it on sale on this same platform. On this same platform. Like I can say, you enter your email. Then you invite your friend, colleagues, or family to collaborate on this design. Try it today, but start a public collaboration. But I don't need that now. I don't need this now. Element, template, background files, products, detail. Then you search for. You can search for what?
Yeah, I'm going to school now.
Gift. Best mom gift solution test. So you can click on this and you redesign it. Once you redesign it, then you place it back on this platform. You download it, then you upload it back. So that's just it. That's just it. Kindly hit the notification bell and the subscribe button so you'll be the first to be notified anytime I drop out some video just like this. Thanks.